YouTube, welcome back to Life with Troy. I greatly appreciate y'all watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Today's video, I'm going to do, I seen it in my comment yesterday that y'all want to hear how my car sounds whenever that I have my windows rolled up, since my car has no mufflers and it's cats deleted. So I'm going to show y'all how it sounds with my windows up, and then I'm going to show y'all how it sounds when I'm driving with my windows down. So I hope y'all greatly love this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and share the video. Let's keep on going up all 2020. I greatly appreciate all of my subscribers on my channel. I greatly appreciate it. So you already know this is my Crown Vic. If y'all don't know, this is my Crown Vic. It's a 2004 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I have my mufflers deleted, and I just deleted my cats yesterday. If y'all want to see that video's in there. It's on my channel. Just go back to the video from yesterday. It will show me deleting my cats. Well, the shop I go to deleting my cats. But I'm about to give y'all this good old cold start, so give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, y'all. So this first part's gonna be me riding with all my windows up. Every last one of them are up. Please excuse that noise in the background. That's just my seatbelt light telling me to put my seatbelt on. So I just stuck my seatbelt on. So the first part's gonna be with me have my windows up, and then the second part's gonna be with me just driving regular, me with my windows down. I usually ride. So let's go get this started. That's with my windows up. And half the time when I drive, I always have my music on, and I have a speaker in my trunk, so I barely can hear the noise. But this is with my windows up. I will put music on, but I don't want that good old copyright. Don't want that, no sir. So this is with my windows up. So now I'm finna show y'all how it sounds when my windows are down. Well, not all the way down, just the front one's all the way down and the back goes halfway down. And that's how I usually drive. That's how it sounds when my windows are down, me just driving. But when I push the gas, you barely can hear it. But you can see when I push the gas, that's when you hear it. But the noise is not too bad. I usually have my music on, so I really don't hear the noise. But the noise is not too bad. I like the way it sounds now since I cut off my cats, so I like the way it sounds. But I hope y'all liked this video. I greatly appreciate all my supporters and all my subscribers. Let's keep on going up all 2020. Everyone stay blessed out there and stay safe during this pandemic. And everybody just stay safe out there with everything that's going on right now. But I greatly appreciate all my subscribers. And y'all have a wonderful Sunday.